Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to source for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Everest, a rugged, tech-packed SUV that's turning heads and raising the bar for midsize SUVs in 2025. Exterior design, bold and functional. The 2025 Ford Everest brings a refreshed design that balances toughness with modern elegance. Up front, the bold C-clamp LED headlights and wider grille give it an aggressive stance. Strong character lines, sculpted sides, and muscular wheel arches enhance its off-road appeal. With options for 18 to 21-inch alloy wheels and a variety of new color finishes, the Everest makes a strong visual statement wherever it goes. Interior comfort, tech meets versatility. Inside, the Everest offers a spacious and refined cabin with 3 rows of seating. Premium trims get leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof. At the center is a large portrait-style touchscreen powered by Ford's SANC4A system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and smart storage spaces make this SUV as practical as it is luxurious. Performance and capability, built for adventure. Under the hood, the Everest offers multiple powertrain options, including a 2.0-liter biturbo diesel and a beefier 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. With selectable drive modes, an electronic locking rear differential, and an improved 4WD system, it's engineered to handle everything from city streets to rugged trails. Towing capacity remains impressive at up to 3,500 kilograms. Safety and technology, confidence on every drive. Ford has loaded the 2025 Everest with advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Whether you're navigating traffic or off-roading, the Everest has your back. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ford Everest isn't just a facelift, it's a full evolution. With stronger performance, smarter tech, and a premium feel, it's ready to challenge anything in its class. For more reviews like this, stay tuned to Vehicle Club.